In a high-stakes legal development, the Supreme Court has issued notices to the central government and UT of Ladakh in response to a petition filed by Gitanjali Angmo, the wife of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk. Sonam Wangchuk is currently detained under the NSA and lodged in a Jodhpur jail.
The notices have been issued in the matter to all the 4 respondents for next Tuesday. The matter is listed on next Tuesday, coming Tuesday. And we'll be going to Jodhpur to meet Mr. Wangchuk today.
Sir, what were you seeking in your writ petition today?
It was habeas corpus petition. So we were seeking opportunity to meet his medication, provision of his medication and all, and most importantly, the supply of grounds of detention to us.
What did the court say? The court declined to pass interim orders compelling the authorities to furnish the grounds of detention and instead posted the matter for further hearing on October 14. The SG representing the centre said that the grounds for detention had already been submitted to Wangchuk. During the hearing, court asked why have the petitioner not approached the High Court. Kapil Sibal, representing the petitioner, said that the detention order was passed by central government and asked which High Court could be approached. The court told them to answer this in next hearing. What is the petition? Gitanjali Angmo told the court that her husband's preventive detention at the NSA was illegal as the plea. The Wangchuk's detention was not genuinely linked to national security or public order but intended to silence a respected environmentalist and social reformer for espousing democratic and ecological causes. According to the petition, Wangchuk resorted only to peaceful Gandhian protest within Ladakh and exercise of his constitutional right to speech and assembly. Hence, the detention amounts to violation of free speech under Article 19. Angmo also challenged the transfer of Wangchuk to the central jail in Jodhpur, over 1,000 kilometers from Ladakh, the site of protests. She has sought Wangchuk's release from detention and immediate production before the court, permission to grant access to him both telephonically and in person, and directions to ensure that he is provided with medicines, clothes, food and other basic necessities in jail.
It was for immediate release because this was an illegal detention, is what we had asked for. He is in no way a national security threat, वो किसी एंगल से नहीं है, तो उनका इमीडिएट रिलीज और उसके लिए हमें जो ग्राउंड्स ऑफ डिटेंशन चाहिए आज तक नहीं दिए गए हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि उनको दिया है लेकिन वो एक ग्लास के पीछे हैं. कल जब उनके भाई उनको मिलने गए तो भी वो डायरेक्टली नहीं इन पर्सन नहीं मीट कर रहे, तो वो कैसे देंगे अगर उनको दिया भी गया है ग्राउंड्स ऑफ डिटेंशन. तो ग्राउंड्स ऑफ डिटेंशन होगा तो ही तो हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे और फाइट करेंगे.
On September 26, Sonam Wangchuk was detained in connection with violent protests in Leh, demanding statehood and 6th schedule status for Ladakh. On September 24, the protests escalated into clashes where 4 protesters lost their lives and dozens were injured. Authorities invoked the NSA, a stringent preventive detention law, in response to allegations that Wangchuk played a role in inciting unrest. Wangchuk remains lodged in Jodhpur Central Jail. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Free Press Journal.